Welcome back. Welcome back. It's Tashuanity 3LT. Whether you're new or just stopping through, thank you. I appreciate you. Today we're going to get into a detox up close and personal. So I'm not going to do too much talking, but this is the typical apple cider vinegar detox with my little spin on it. I wanted to add some aloe for extra moisture because my client here has some dry issues. So that helped a lot. Let's get into it. So typically when you do a detox, you go in and physically remove any buildup at the roots using any special tools that you might have. But in his case, he didn't have any serious buildup. So the apple cider vinegar, baking soda, pink Himalayan salt, and the aloe and lemon juice definitely did the trick. After allowing the hair to soak, you always want to make sure you follow up with a shampoo just to get that scent out. Apple cider vinegar is very potent, and the baking soda and all the other acidic ingredients that you might have used during the detox do strip the hair of the natural oils and not so much the nutrients, but it does kind of dry it out. So just follow up with a moisturizing and clarifying shampoo, which you can find at www.tashuanity3lt.com. Everybody has their own spin on detoxing, and sometimes I even like to add citrus such as grapefruit, lemons, or even oranges for the essence, and it actually adds shine to the hair as well. But for this specific client, I wanted to focus more so on restoring the moisture just because little boys are typically rough on their hair, so I know he needed it. And as always, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and hit the bell to notify you whenever I post a new video. And I really appreciate all the love. Thanks, guys, for commenting. Thanks for all the likes. It's just really positive reinforcement. And it lets me know that you guys appreciate the content that I'm uploading just for you. So I'll see you in my next video. Peace and love, y'all.